Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking you through an average weekly shop I do, including some budgeting tips and tricks. So my local supermarket is Lidl. For some people it's different. Ideally, obviously, as a student you have a close, cheap supermarket to you. So I will just be talking you through some of the foods I often get each week that are my staples, that are really cheap and get me through uni. So first of all, top of the list would be milk for me. I often always like to treat myself to hot chocolate each night, as it's a nice sweet treat, not being too unhealthy, and it's also very cheap. Another thing I will always get is cheese and bread, and vegetables are really cheap, which is brilliant. Cheese is often not cheap, and I understand that. So as you can see here on this shop I am showing you, I've got lots of random things that a lot of people may not get. That's perfectly fine. So I'll always get things like cream cheese because I always like it with bagels. Some things may be more expensive than others, but that really doesn't matter. As long as overall you're not spending too much and you are reaching for the cheapest things. It sometimes takes a bit longer to find the cheapest things on the shelves, and it takes a bit more time to work it out. However, it's definitely worth it in the end, and in the moment it doesn't seem like it's a big difference. The pennies do add up. And a final good tip and trick I have for you guys is by always working out what you're going to eat that week. Even if it's a rough idea, it's really useful to have a bit of a meal plan, because then you don't overbuy anything that you might not use, and food won't ever go off and you won't be wasting anything. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.